So, the point of today's lesson was this. The point of today's lesson was to find some strategies that we could use. Strategies that we could use to find prime numbers easily without doing all of that work on calculators. So what was one rule that you guys know for sure that as soon as you see a number you can use? Yes, Cam?
The rainbow.
The rainbow. The rainbow is not a good strategy to use. That's a good strategy to find all the factors for something, but not for finding primes. Okay? If you can find one factor in a rainbow, then you know it's not prime. But we're looking for really quick ones that we can do. Yeah?
If it's an even number, and it factor multiply by 2.
If it is even, then you know it's not prime. Yeah, that's a great rule. Okay, there is one exception to that rule, and the exception is number 2. 2 is prime, so that's the only exception. What is another really good rule for you to be able to find primes or composite numbers? Jacob.
That multiples of 3 or 9 are divisible by, like, the sum of their digits is divisible by 3 or 9.
Yeah. So if you take a number, the sum of the digits of a number if divisible by 3 or 9, then it is not prime. Okay? There's an even easier one than that. I'd always start with this one for sure. That one maybe later on, but there's even an easier one that I would use before that. Yeah?
If it ends in a 0 or 5, it's like opposite ones are not
Yeah.
primes.
If it ends in a 0 or a 5, then we know that it is not prime again. Okay? There is, again, maybe 2 or 1 exceptions to that rule, and what is it?
4
Yeah.
or 5.
Sorry? 5 for sure, but not 4. I wouldn't agree with 4.
No, I didn't mean to say that. I was saying
5 and
0.
0. Okay, thank you. Your job is for the next class to finish off this list. Think of any strategies, but before you go,